The Russian Navy has taken a significant step forward in modernizing its defense systems by deploying the Orion UAV, also known as Inokhodets, for reconnaissance and strike missions. According to reports from Russian media on March 2, 2025, these drones are now actively safeguarding anchored warships, providing a crucial layer of protection against emerging threats like unmanned surface vessels, USVs. The increasing prevalence of such threats has driven the need for advanced autonomous solutions. Previously, helicopters were the primary asset for securing naval vessels at anchor, but the integration of sophisticated air defense systems has necessitated a shift towards more cost-effective and autonomous surveillance technologies like the Orion UAV. Recent developments have demonstrated the operational effectiveness of the Inokhodets, particularly in countering kamikaze-style boats. The drone has been successfully used to track and neutralize approaching threats with precision-guided munitions, showcasing its value as a modern alternative to traditional manned aircraft. With the ability to function autonomously or under remote control, the UAV ensures continuous monitoring of key maritime areas without overburdening human-operated aviation resources. This operational efficiency allows conventional piloted aircraft to be reserved for more complex missions, optimizing the Navy's strategic capabilities. The Inokhodets is equipped with state-of-the-art surveillance and attack capabilities, making it an indispensable asset for Russia's naval defense. A key component of its weapon system is the KH-UAV multi-purpose tactical missile, developed by the Tula Instrument Design Bureau. This missile is based on the successful 9M133FM3 variant from the Cornet D anti-tank system, along with the 9M133M2 missile, enhancing the UAV's ability to target both aerial and maritime threats with high precision. Such adaptability allows the drone to play a pivotal role in naval security, responding effectively to a range of potential dangers. The Orion UAV was first introduced to the public in 2018 by the Kronstadt Company, designed to meet the increasing demand for an unmanned system capable of both reconnaissance and combat missions. Its modular structure enables seamless integration of diverse payloads tailored to specific operational needs, making it a valuable tool for multiple branches of the Russian military. Over the years, the UAV has undergone rigorous testing and improvements, proving its effectiveness in real-world scenarios. By late 2020, the Russian armed forces officially adopted the Orion UAV, incorporating it into both ground and naval units. This marked a significant milestone in Russia's push towards autonomous military technologies, further enhancing the strategic capabilities of its forces. Specifically for naval operations, the drone has been instrumental in conducting extensive surveillance, ensuring the security of critical maritime zones, and defending anchored warships from potential attacks. One of the most notable benefits of integrating the Orion UAV into naval operations is its cost-effectiveness and operational flexibility. Unlike manned aircraft, which require extensive logistical support and pose risks to pilots, drones can function autonomously for prolonged periods, reducing the need for continuous human intervention. This persistent surveillance is particularly crucial for protecting strategic assets from modern threats like USVs, which can pose a severe risk to warships stationed in harbors or anchored offshore. The Orion UAV is equipped with high-resolution electro-optical and infrared cameras, allowing operators to receive real-time intelligence on maritime activities. Its extended flight endurance and wide operational range enable comprehensive surveillance of crucial naval zones, such as military bases and maritime choke points. Additionally, its relatively low radar visibility allows it to conduct stealth operations, making it a formidable tool in both anti-surface and anti-submarine warfare. With its ability to execute both autonomous and remote-controlled missions, the Orion UAV offers unparalleled adaptability. Operators can pre-program flight paths or make real-time adjustments based on emerging threats, ensuring swift and precise decision-making in dynamic combat scenarios. The deployment of Orion UAVs within the Russian Navy underscores a broader military trend, leveraging unmanned technology for high-risk, cost-effective operations. These drones provide continuous intelligence gathering and rapid response capabilities, significantly enhancing defensive strategies in complex maritime environments. Their combination of advanced targeting systems, real-time surveillance, and autonomous functionality positions them as a cornerstone of modern naval defense. As the Russian military continues to expand its reliance on unmanned systems like the Orion UAV, the drone is expected to play an even greater role in maritime security. Whether operating independently or in coordination with manned aircraft and other defense assets, it serves as a force multiplier, ensuring that Russian naval forces maintain a strategic edge in both peacetime and wartime scenarios. The integration of such cutting-edge technology marks a significant advancement in military modernization efforts, reinforcing Russia's commitment to adapting to evolving global security challenges.